Hey guys, we're live at 6:24. I'm going to copy our 50 spot list, but I think you know what we're here for. We're running one of the last, I believe it's the 7th mini for Gary's Canadian 20 back Fett AFA 85. I got 50 spots here. Looks like we got a bunch of winners here. Top 10 win places. In the main, 25th place wins 3 ounces of silver, and last place wins an Imperial Dignitary, which is radical as well. So, winners galore here at Mini 7. Going to paste my list in here. 50 spots. Look at them go. There they are, all in a row. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get at least a 5 to play. And the dice slowly roll to a 5, which means we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Bunch of winners here. Get it in. Matthew takes round 1, followed by Mark. I'm going to stroll down through the list here. Round 2, Chris Edelman, I'm going to assume that is, takes round 2. Stuart round 3. And round 4, bringing us to the ever-important. I'm going to just scroll down manually, I guess. To the ever-important. Come on, we can get there. I believe it. Final round. There we go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Chris Edelman, or Ellerman, perhaps. Rock, Behavin', Chris, Mark, Richie, Ed, Ryan, Richie, Zach Brayman. Down in the 25 spot is Ed Kushner, 3 ounces of silver. And in last place, Jason Bozeman with that dignitary figure. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. BNOHAL. There it is. There's our victors. I am done. At 6:26. As you can see here, perhaps. There we go. Again, here's the winners. Congratulations, guys. See you in the main. Thanks a bunch.